Hello everyone, my name is Satvik. Today I'll be presenting the findings from my JASP correlation analysis, where I investigated the relationship between a school's academic performance and two key factors, its schedule and the education level of its students and parents. So coming to the methodology and variables, I use the JASP to run a Pearson correlation test on three main variables. Firstly, API 00, which is the academic performance index, our main measure of school success. And coming to the second one, it is YR underscore R&D, a simple yes or no type, and it indicator for whether a school operates year round. Coming to the third one, it's a sum underscore call, which is the percentage of parents with some educational college education. So my goal was to see how or if these factors are statistically linked. So here I found some key findings. So the results revealed particularly two important relationships. Firstly, and most striking, I found a moderate and negative correlation between academic performance and year-round status. The PSSR was initially at negative minus 0.475, and with a p-value of less than 0.001. This is just highly significant finding. In practical terms, this means that schools with a year-round calendar are strongly associated with lower API scores. Coming to the second finding, the second key finding was a weaker but positive correlation between academic performance and parental education. The correlation here was 0.262, so which is also statistically significant. And this suggests that as the percentage of parents with some college education increases, the students' uh, school's API score also tends to increase, though the relationship isn't as strong as the first one. So, coming to the interpretation, so what does this tell us? The data clearly shows that year-round schools have a notable association with lower performance. However, and this is a critical point, correlation does not mean causation. So this result doesn't prove that the year-round schedule causes lower scores, and a more explanation is that year-round schedules are often implemented in school districts, so that are already struggling with border challenges such as funding or student population density. So the positive link with parental education aligns with what we might expect, as parents with higher education levels can often provide more academic support at home. So, coming to the conclusion, in conclusion, this analysis successfully identified a significant negative relationship between year-round school calendars and academic performance. So, alongside the expected positive link with parental education, these findings are not final answers, but they provide a solid data-driven starting point of for asking more details questions. For example, a future analysis could also a method like a regression to control for other variables like funding or class size. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time.